Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring your Xbox Series S is updated. That prevents driver issues and gives new device support. Next, use a wired USB keyboard and mouse or a wireless set with its USB dongle. Remember, Xbox does not accept Bluetooth. Plug the keyboard into a USB port, then the mouse. Once done, the console will usually auto-detect input devices. Make sure to wait a few seconds and watch for on-screen confirmation so you know the hardware is live. Now you configure how the inputs behave. Go to Settings, then Devices and Connections, and select mouse or keyboard to change pointer speed, scroll direction, and swap primary buttons if needed. You should test movement in the home dashboard before jumping into a game because game support varies. Some titles use mouse and keyboard natively while others ignore them. Make adjustments gradually so you feel comfortable, and remember to check each game's control options to bind keys or enable keyboard support where available. Finish by saving your settings and testing in a supported title to confirm responsiveness and latency feel right. If inputs are unrecognized, restart the console and replug devices into a different USB port. Sometimes, a cold reboot forces detection. If problems persist, update your keyboard or mouse firmware on a PC, or try a powered USB hub to supply consistent power. This one tip often resolves intermittent detection on the Series S and gets you back to gameplay quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.